What's up, everybody? I finally am able to post. My gosh. Woo, it's been a long time, so I'm gonna probably, I'm doing a re-update video, because that one's kind of outdated. Let's talk about some Splash. Show $3.40. What happened to Splash, guys? Wasn't it dying? Well, kind of was. Uh, yeah. Look at that. We got Splash up to $3.47. Awesome. I hope it rises back up to all-time highs. And it's pretty awesome to see that. So I have been compounding a lot. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to sell some and compound. We're going to do a giveaway. I'm thinking this Wednesday. So stay tuned for that. This Wednesday, we'll be doing a Splash giveaway. Probably like 20 Splash or something like that. Like $60-$70, something like that. But yeah, it's been a ride with Splash. All right, so we just claimed. I want to compound some and then sell some. So we're gonna compound like 30 Splash. I'm thinking, not like 20 Splash. I've not sold any Splash in a while, so I need to get a little money out. I've just been compounding. That should get us over 900 Splash, which should be sick. Come on. Let's go. 900. Oh. Oops. So yeah, let's sell this too. So we're gonna check in a lot of things. Splash, Elphant.Money, Piston Token. Yeah, it should be a good day knowing that Splash is doubled. Yeah, $215 we can get there. Should be nice. I haven't been too updated on some new projects. I've just been very busy. And with this time, you know what I'm really waiting for, guys? I'm really waiting for Pulse Chain. Let's be real here, okay? I'm waiting on Pulse Chain, okay? I just want that thing to launch. If you're wondering how my developing's going, I had to take a little break before I'm out of school, which should be very soon in the next week. So once I'm out, that's pretty much my whole summer project, bro. I'm going to grind and get my dang blockchain game up. Okay? So, yeah. So that would be really good. Okay. I'm really happy about the Splash price, though. Let's be real here. That's lit. Okay. Anyway, what I was saying. We're going to go over to Elphant.Money and whatnot. Again, I'll probably do a, what you call it? Not that. That's fake, by the way. I don't have that much. A airdrop. Yes, I'm doing an airdrop Wednesday. So, that should be good. Elphant.Money. I don't even know what's going on with this thing. Is it still going? Dude, I just don't even know. Is it like better still be going? Oh, it is. Okay, cool. Yeah, I found 110 BUSD in like one of my hacked wallets. No, that wasn't my hacked wallet. It was just my other wallet in here. Dude, I have not checked my hacked wallet in like so long. I have nothing in there too, which wish I had like $1 million. I could just make sure. Okay, now I'm talking gibberish, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I just woke up from a nap, and I'm really tired. It was probably a bad idea to take that nap. You know when you take a nap, you're just tired afterwards. Yeah, that's pretty much me. Okay, we just rolled that. We're getting good on this. We're getting up. Keep on compounding. I need to compound more on that. Yeah. $15 Piston Token. Oh, remember this? I talked about it last video, I believe. Slowly becoming one of my favorite DeFi projects. It just needs more hype. Like, the Piston Token should be at $100. You know what I'm saying? But it's not gonna get to $100 for a very long time. But that's okay. We're just gonna keep on compounding. Yeah. Join my crew if you want. let's go take a look at Drip Garden. Drip Garden, guys. It's really dying. It's Forex Shark. I've been getting comments, and when I blast Forex Shark, screw you guys, okay? Nah, bro. If you Forex Shark, bro, you gotta step up your game. Man, what are you doing? Go fix your dang platform, bro. So all you haters in there saying chitter chatter, blah blah blah, it's Forex Shark, give him time, bro. We've been giving him a couple months, bro. So I'm over that, man. I'm not on the side, bro. Like, you can't unpause the dang thing and fix it, bro. It's been months. The thing is, he's told us it'll be good in 10 days. It'll be good in a couple weeks. It never has. He keeps on lying. So what do you want me to say? You gonna keep on having faith in him? I mean, I guess. I mean, our money's pretty much there and locked up, so. But come on. Everybody's saying all that stuff in the comments. I'm sick of it, man. I'm sick of it. I'm just as mad as you. I'm just as mad at our money being locked up, and he ain't even fixing it. Like, we've been waiting. We put our hard-earned money in this. And yeah, you never can trust developers, I know. But like, the people are defending them, man. I'm like, jeez. How do you defend a dude that doesn't even care right now? You think he's spending a ton of time on this? No, if he did, he definitely would have got it done. You see how fast he actually got the project out? You don't care. He made like 300 mil off this. But that's my opinion. I hope he unpauses it, bro. I'm not saying I hope he doesn't do. Jeez, I hope he unpauses it, bro. I put some good money in this thing, but it's kind of some BS. But yeah, okay, yeah, that's pretty much the video. Since I can post again, I can probably record a video tomorrow. I'll probably set an alert for me to record. It's like when I was able to post, I like just forgot to post sometimes. Because I've been really busy, but I'm gonna put an alarm on my phone. Hopefully I can post tomorrow. If not, Wednesday, and I'll do that airdrop. But I'm gonna 100% try to post tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. Peace out.